Hey, Quake 2 is a great game, right?
Yes, it is, but not the RTX version.
Yeah, not that one.
It may have better lights, but the original is perfect. It has a original design, very unique style.
That's a t-shirt quote.
Quick game. If someone says Quake 2 is not a good game, don't trust that person.
Anyway, I think we should make a video game.
Can we?
Well, I do have 3 years of experience from high school, then other 3 years from experience from university. So in total, I have 6 years of experience in programming. Plus, I also had 3 courses at university about game development in you.
What was that?
Well, using there was using the game engine that starts with you.
Unreal Engine?
Now the other one with.
Unity Engine? Oh, that's weird.
Oh no, I'm having flashback from university. I did watch all of Naruto, Shippuden, in a week.
That's impressive.
I barely remember anything though.
From university or Naruto?
Yes.